Hello, Ryan here. Silly reviews. This dash cam I'm going to call Old Faithful. Got it hooked up to the computer. I want to pull all the saved video files, the protected video files from it. This is an older unit. It's a 2-channel. I have a front and back camera hooked up to it. Well, it is a front camera, and then there's a rear camera backed up to it. Now, when you connect it to your computer, you're going to get your typical DCIM folder. It's going to have 2 folders within it, depending on how many channels you have. You could have just 1 folder for front. You could have 2 for front and rear. You could have 3 for front, rear, and interior. But you may be confused as to, well, how do I find just the saved video files that I clicked and made protected events? By default, and this is on Windows, you're not going to have anything to differentiate it. And even if you try to use just the date and time, you may have so much storage on your micro SD card that you're not going to find all the ones that are just protected. What you have to do is you have to go and find more details about these files. And when you do, you want to find attributes. When you find attributes and you can show the attributes for the video files, then you'll see files that are protected and files that are not protected. So bear with me as I scroll around with the camera in one hand and then one hand on the mouse. But when you find attributes, and we're going to get there in just a second, this is how you'll know how to copy, save, forward, burn, whatever. Just those events that are important because you leaned over to your cam and you clicked them, right? So there's attributes. That's what you want to be showing in your file folder, right? So here we go. Now we have RA. And when I scroll down, we'll have A. RA is restricted access. A is just access, which can be overwritten. The RA will not be overwritten by your camera. So all those RA files should be important to me because I felt the need to lean over, click the button on the camera to make sure that those clips, whether they're 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, didn't get overwritten over time. This is how you'll be able to go through those files and see why you saved them. Goofy drivers, crazy drivers. Did you get in an accident? Did you have some type of meeting with someone? Did you leave your camera rolling while you were pulled over? That's how you're going to find it. RA is the key. Attributes is the key. RA, restricted access. All the ones that are just A, they'll be overwritten. There you go.